Ang basahin ninyo, saan sila pumirma? Dumaguete City. Oh. Wala siya, pumirma na siya. Saan ang notarization? Quezon City. Ng member ng Elias JTV Band. No? Naka-enumerate po ang lahat po ng members po ng Elias JTV Band against their manager Beverly Pumipik Laban-Laban. We already issued to you previous to the press conference a press statement, no? As to why we filed this instant complaint before the RTC of Kidapawan. And the same explained that essentially our stand is the contract is void, not only voidable. Meaning, anong ibig sabihin yan? Wala pong visa yung kontrata po na napirmahan ni Elias dahil po yung kontrata po na iyon ay walang consideration. When I say walang consideration, at the time of the signing of the contract in April 2025, April 4 to be exact, right? In Dumaguete City, the same, the Elias Lintukan or Elias TV Band was already well known not only in the country but abroad as well. It was already a singing sensation. The band itself is widely known, while the manager Beverly Pumipik Laban-Laban had no history whatsoever of managing any talent. And as a matter of fact, in her previous declarations, she admitted that she had no history of managing artists. So therefore, there is no claim that she had any contribution at all in so far as the popularity of Elias JTV Band itself or Elias himself. So, when you sign a contract with a very well-known artist, there are three elements: cause, object, consideration. Was there a cause? Yes. Was there an object? Yes, but there was no consideration. So therefore, we feel that there was no contract at all since one of the essential elements is missing, is absent. So therefore, it is void. Second, it was likewise, there was also dolo causante. What is the meaning of that? There is fraud in the causation of the contract, which means that at the time when the contract was signed, there was fraud employed by Beverly